So I am Rajesh from R3 Interactive. So basically, this Hangouts topic is about like leveraging on MCHI Credai virtual exhibition, which will be running on mchi.net website from tomorrow onwards. So my mentor is with me, Mr. Pankaj Samant. Welcome you on board, sir.
Thank you so
Here I
much,
will.
Rajesh. Not
Yes,
mentor,
sir.
I am your fan, I'm your admirer, I'm your AC.
Yes, sir. So see, this exhibition was fantastic. It was like super fantastic. The way it was like designed, the way it was the having the ambience, the like everything was fantastic. So for last 4 days, they observed more than I think 50,000 footfalls we observed during the period of from 11th to 14th April 2013. And once it was like finished on 14th, we drawn a plan to execute on website. So from tomorrow onwards, the complete experience, the 360-degree like interactive experience of the physical stall, physical exhibition will be put on, will be highlighted on the this mchi.net website. So those who have missed out on this on this particular exhibition duration or time, especially Mumbaikars or else people from Pune or Surat or else the NRIs who wanted to visit the exhibition but they didn't make it. So we are offering you the complete same real-time experience on internet. The company we have covered almost more than 80 stalls. All builders like they were having their stalls. So we have created 360-degree stalls. So for next 15 days, this will be on website. Any netizens on their computers or on their devices, internet devices, they can view it. The simple online link which is provided on mchi.net, which is going to live on tomorrow. They can browse the like stalls. So if they are interested to buy any property, then they can search the property based upon like 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartments, or maybe like or they, if they want to opt for any city, particular city. So we have designed in that way. So it is very user friendly. So whatever platform we have provided for this Google Hangout for next like 15 days, we will be having expert realtor on forum who will be guiding, resolving to queries about like how to buy properties, the builders which have like developed so many beautiful schemes, how to like approach them. So these are the queries like we will be having. So please sir guide us how any like buyer can approach builder or how he can get benefit of this fantastic technology.
Are you asking me? First of all, let me congratulate you for such a splendid job that you've done. And your very innovative idea of giving the opportunity to all the realtors and the builders to broadcast their projects. I think this is a great innovation in today's times. Considering that it's very difficult to move out and visit people all the time, I am excited to imagine that I will be able to see the properties and projects coming right now for any builder in Bombay who has participated. Thanks to your efforts, I had a chance to glimpse through your virtual exhibition and I found it very simple. In fact, I sent a mail to some of the builders asking for queries. I mean, asking for information. And I think that now with this kind of technology available, it's very easy for any realtor in any city to work as a network globally using Google Hangouts and the kind of virtual exhibitions they can show it to their clients. In fact, I use this kind of things using Top Fusion, but now I find this is another good platform where I can invite my investors, make them meet the builder, the broker, or any other people involved, and we can guide through the whole process of giving information, spreading information about what would be the ideal buy for them. They can directly ask questions with the brokers being in the meeting, as we do in traditional way where we physically travel to the builder's office. And well, it is makes life very easy for the buyer and the builder to announce and broadcast in face to face. I mean, it is much more engaging when I see the person face to face and talk to him, because then familiarity builds up. So, Rajesh, this is an amazing idea you have come up with. I think we should really send out a video newsletter to all the builders that have participated, sending them captured version of this broadcast or this Google Hangout that you're having. What do you think? Would it make
Yes, yes.
interesting?
Sir, I would like to give you the presentation online. I would like to share my screen and I will also would like to invite all builders and their team basically to have a look at this particular virtual exhibition. So, can I share my screen now?
I would love to. I'm anxiously waiting.
Okay, fine. Here I am. Okay, I started. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see that. I,
Yeah.
I feel I'm entering into the exhibition. Wonderful. It's so
Yeah,
colorful.
this one is see this time around, team Go Bananas, they have like did fantastic job as far as like putting up great show. The
Uh-huh.
India's one of the largest facade visual display was there, and like entrance was fantastic. So here is the like MCHI hyphen exhibitions dot virtuexpo.co.in, which is hosted on mchi.net. So here we will enter to the like. Entrance of this exhibition. This one is like virtual property expo. As you can see, here is the, like if anybody wants to like enter here, or if he or she wants to like have a look at the exhibition stalls and everything, then first of all registration is very mandatory. You can see here like it's completely registration area we have covered. So for entering into the exhibition, first it need. So
It's
I'll enter
compulsory
my
for the
email
visitor
ID.
to enter his email ID, right?
Yes, yes. First of all, he has to register. If I am already registered previously, so that I can enter here.
I see.
So whether I can search properties or else I can search bank loans if I am interested to go for any home like loans or any finance. So I'll search properties here.
That's quite interesting. You've also covered the bank loan financing part of it.
Yeah. That was the actually theme of this particular exhibition this year. So
Okay, so these are the
okay.
participants and their stalls.
This one is like 21st real estate as well as housing finance exhibition. So this is the main like layout wherein anybody can search property. So there were total more than 100 stalls. So out of this, some of the like patrons, sponsors, SBI was the main sponsor for this exhibition. And here you can say RNA Corp, Nahar Builders, Kaltaru, Kanakia, big names, Loda Group, then Srinagar, India Bulls, Ajmera, Rustamji, Hiranandani. So from here, you can search by builder. You can like search by the segment whether you want residential apartment, multi-story apartment, plots, houses, builder apartment, villa, anything. Bedroom, if you are opting for one bedroom, two bedroom, more than five bedroom. From city, you can select whichever city. It will like you can filter out the like. Now, these are the like 3D stalls we have created within the like 3 days time, and we
I
have put
see.
here. So, if you want to visit any Hiranandani Constructions stall, then you can easily go to Hiranandani stall.
So you just click on Hiranandani stall.
Yeah, Hiranandani's 3 store, and it will
Okay.
get you to the Hiranandani's virtual store. I'm extremely sorry with the like the internet connectivity, like the speed we are having. Otherwise, it is much faster. We have taken special care about like house. What about like the experience? So
Okay.
here is the
So
store.
you're virtually on their website.
Yeah,
It's like,
now we are virtually in their actual stall. This is the
okay,
actual stall of Hiranandani at exhibition.
I see.
Yeah, so see, you can like with the help of arrow keys or mouse, you can navigate from right to left, top, bottom, whatever side you can see it. So
This
they
is real
have
experience, huh? 3D
yeah,
experience you're giving us.
yeah. Sometimes see these are the stalls, are it is very precise job. You take care about detailing and everything, a very and unique experience for your potential buyers. So you want to cherish it whole life, and if it is if it is like coming with the complete 3D 360-degree interactive, then it is much more live compared to those snaps or maybe still images. So this is the completely virtual store.
I
You can
can
see
feel it.
here
Yeah, I
like
can
it
feel
is
it.
like property exhibition 2030 MCHI Credite. That is the branding here. Now they have highlighted their Rhodas Enclave project here. So when I like click here, it will give you the information. What is Rhodas, where it is Thane. Then if I am clicking on floor plan, then it will give the floor plans and everything. So I can see it here. amenities, other images, media galleries. I can see if I want to like contact them, then I can also contact them. I can write down my like subject and details, and if I'll submit it, the mail
Directly
will
from the
directly go
virtual
to
exhibition. You're
from
saying
right from the virtual
right from the
exhibition.
stall, right from the stall,
Yeah.
I can
Right
send a
from the
mail.
stall, they
I
can
can send
make
a mail.
inquiries.
I see.
Yeah. Last year also there were tremendous we were getting so many leads. Though there were limitation in marketing, but still the builders were getting leads. This time around, we are also taking special care for promotional activities on viral marketing and everything. So here is you can also like share it. You can with the help of like Facebook or Twitter or like LinkedIn, you can share the link like here. So here is the complete experience. Then if you want to visit other stalls, you can go there, and at home you can browse again and go to the home. So this was like, I'll summarize it. So this was the like complete experience here.
Okay, so you're saying that you covered more than 90% of the participants or all of the 100% participants?
No, we have covered all participants. Everyone is participated. Whatever the stalls they were having, we have covered within three
So
days.
why are you keeping it only for 15 days? Why not for longer time?
See, I don't know. See, maybe as far as MCHI concerned, and this is the unique activity, and since it is very unique, since it is like very appealing, visual attractiveness is there. So we are restricting the time limit to 15 days basically. Otherwise, it will lose its appeal actually. That people will find
But
it common.
but
But
then
see, if it is
but
for
then have
15
you
days,
informed the world, the people, that this is only for 15 days? I mean, we should put some announcement online that this is an opportunity which will go away, come down, will be taken down after 15 days.
right. See, we have made some media plan for this announcement. There are some bulletins, news publications, as well as magazines of MCHI.net. We have published the announcement there only. From tomorrow onwards, it will be announced on MCHI.net website also. We have got some 7,000 hits within 8 to 10 days on MCHI.net Facebook fan page, which is it is very like attractive. So we are making announcement on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest. So everywhere we are making announcement. In fact, whatever media, outdoor media hoardings or we are having, we are going for that also. We got three media partners, print partners, Times, DNA. So they will be also publishing the report on their local newspapers, in even Mirror and everything. So there are several ways, several media vehicles we have used to get it to the platform, get it to the like potential buyers or maybe the people who can do it on site.
It's a very great idea, and what I want is to immediately circulate this information to all my realtor colleagues in Pune and all over India in National Association of Realtors and all the builders from Credai, that they can hold such hangouts with the people who are interested to actually meet them on a Google Hangout, where they can personally, maybe their senior staff, their vice president marketing, or somebody can answer all the questions of the audience in our Google Hangouts. So, Rajesh, do you intend to have this on a daily basis, the Hangout?
Yes, sir. See, basically, from tomorrow onwards, what we are planning, we will be inviting all participant builders and their key team members in sales and marketing. We will be holding Google Hangouts on daily basis in evening time from 4 to 7 o'clock in evening, wherein anybody can come on this Google Hangout. It will be completely on air. So here, like buyer will meet the seller, means the builders, their team will meet the potential buyers. So we will be sending emails to all like potential buyers, whatever data we got last year, this year also, online database, potential buyers. We will be sending, we will notify them with the emails, with the, like SMS or with the help of that social media also, that we are going to have 4 to 7 each day Google Hangouts discussions about the properties, how the property rates and details about geographies and everything builder. And we will be inviting each and everyone on daily basis. There will be a different patron who will be sponsoring this Google Hangout event, and people can come and they can ask about their queries.
What I will suggest is that we will send this information, this recorded video of what you have explained to me, on a video newsletter,